Okay. So the theorem states that let f of a plus h be a function of h which can be expanded in powers of h, and let the expansion be differentiable term by term with respect to h any number of times. Then f of a plus h can be written as f of a plus h into f dash of a plus h square by 2 factorial f double dash of a plus h raised to n upon n factorial nth derivative of f at a and so on. So a function f of a plus h can be written, I mean, if it is differentiable any number of times, and then the expansion is given by this. So no matter what is written above, whenever you are asked, say, write on the Taylor series expansion of this, of course, it will satisfy the given condition. Okay, that is by default. So f of a plus h can be written as f of a plus h into f dash of a plus h square by 2 factorial f double dash of a and so on. This is the Taylor series of a function f of h at a. Okay. Now, so what I can do here is I can make the deductions as, so example may never be in the same form. So f of x plus h is given. I need the expansion in powers of h. Then what I can do is x is replaced by a in the above one, f of x plus h into f dash of x plus h square by 2 factorial f double dash of h x so on h raised to n upon n factorial f n of x. I can also get the expansion in powers of x. If I want expansion in powers of x, then what is the change I should do? Anyone? What is the right hand side in the first one? This is
We change the function in terms of x.
in powers of h. So I have written the function in powers of h. Okay, so h square h raised to n. So if I have f of x plus h, then this will be f of h plus x into f dash of h plus x square by 2 factorial f double dash at h plus up to x raised to n upon n factorial f n of h. So third one, f of x. Look, in this case, what I'm going to do is I want to write down f of x in powers of x minus a. So what I will do is f of x, this I can also write as f of x plus h, x plus a powers of x minus a. So x minus a plus a, I'll do it over here, plus a, right? So if I want the expansion in powers of x minus a, in powers of x minus a, what it will be? Yes, anyone? Just using the first expansion again and again, you just have to understand the pattern in which this is going on.
Sir, f of x minus a
Huh?
plus a into f derivative of x minus a.
You need in powers of x minus a. देखो x और h दो चीजें है previous में. If I am writing in powers of x, then derivatives are to be taken at h. In the first deduction, as you can see, there are x and h. I need in powers of h. So derivatives are taken at the place of x, right? So now I need in the powers of x minus a. तो x minus a छोड़ के जो बचा है वहां पे derivatives find करना है. So that will be f of a,
of a plus x minus a into f dash a.
f dash of a, very good, plus x minus a square by 2 factorial f double dash of a plus up to x minus a raised to n upon n factorial f n naught a and so on. This is a very important one. If you are writing down, write it down. This is a Taylor series expansion of f of x at x is equal to a. Expansion at x is equal
So,
to a. Yes. What's the problem?
so, so we'll get these expansions in the exam.
Yes, of course. If it is theory, then this kind of examples you will have to find out.
Okay, sir.
You are going to soon face an exam in January. So start preparing. Okay. So what we had, f of x, I wrote it down in the powers of x minus a as f of a plus x minus a f dash at a plus x minus a square divided by 2 factorial f double dash at a, so on, x minus a raised to n upon n factorial f n of a plus dot dot dot. This is the Taylor series expansion. This is Taylor series expansion of f of x in powers of x minus a. Okay, there is a particular case which we need to study. This Taylor series is also called as Taylor series expansion of f of x at x is equal to a. So can someone tell me Taylor series expansion of f of x at x is equal to 0 is, can anyone do this?
f of 0
F of 0, very good.
um, plus x into f dash 0
F dash of 0,
is x square by 2 factorial into f double dash 0.
very good. And so on. We will have x raised to n upon n factorial, nth derivative at 0, so on. What is this? The students who have given JE, no
Sir,
one?
matlab exactly?
I want to ask, can you identify this series?
Sir, e की power x का expansion, I guess.
No, this has some name. Have you heard of Maclaurin series? While finding out
Yes.
the limits, you have put some series in place of functions like e to the power x, sin x. You had a series of this which you memorized and used it while solving limits. Those series were nothing but the Maclaurin series. Maclaurin series is the expansion of a function f of x at x is equal to 0. Okay, anyway, we are going to come to it after we complete the Taylor series. Right now, I hope that you have the series written with you so that I can go for examples. Example number 1. Prove that log of x plus h is equal to log h plus x by h minus x square by 2h square plus x cube by 3h cube and so on. If you look at the right hand side, in what powers the series is there? The series in powers of x. Okay, so this series on the right hand side is expansion in powers of x. So if I have f of x plus h, then by Taylor's theorem, what we will have, f of x plus h is equal to f of h plus x into f dash of h. How many terms I have to do? I have to do 3 terms in order to show the above given expression. X square by 2 factorial f double dash of h plus x cube divided by 3 factorial f triple dash of h and so on. So f of x plus h is equal to log of x plus h. What is f of h? f of h is equal to log of h. Please understand this. Any problem you can ask. What is f dash of h?
1 by h.
1 by h. F double dash of h, this is equal to minus 1 by h square, and f triple dash of h is equal to h raised to minus 2 will make this 2, h raised to minus 3, 2 by h cube. Let's substitute this. So f of x plus h is equal to log h plus x into 1 by h plus x square by 2 factorial is nothing but 2 minus 1 upon h square plus x cube by 3 factorial, which is 3 into 2 into what is third derivative? 2 upon h cube. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled out for the dot dot dot. And we have got the required expression. Clear? Example number 2. Expand log of tan pi by 4 plus x in ascending powers of x. What is f of x plus pi by 4 is equal to log of tan x plus pi by 4. You need the expansion in powers of x. So f of x plus pi by 4 by Taylor's theorem is equal to, yes, anyone?
F of pi by 4
F of pi by 4
plus x f dash pi by 4
x into f dash pi by 4
x square by 2 factorial into f double dash pi by 4.
f double dash pi by 4 plus x cube upon 3 factorial f triple dash pi by 4. That's it. No need to go ahead. Okay. So to find out f of pi by 4, let's just understand what is f of a. What is f of a? Log of tan of a. Are you convinced with this?
Yes, sir.
So yes, sir. F of pi by 4 will be log of tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is 1 and log of 1 is 0. What is f dash of a? 1 upon tan a into derivative of tan a is sec square a. So f dash of pi by 4 is equal to tan pi by 4, which will become 1, Sec is 1 upon cos. So cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So the answer will be 2. Please check the calculations. Right?
Yes, sir.
And tan is nothing but sin by cos. So cos A upon sin A. Sec square A is 1 upon cos square A. So 1 cos will get cancelled out. So multiply and divide by 2. So this will be 2 upon sine of 2A. I've done this to make the calculations easier. F double dash of A will be equal to, so 1 upon sine, that is cosec. Second derivative will be minus cosec 2A into cot of 2A. So the overall answer is
Sir, one more 2 will be there.
into 2. So overall answer is minus 4 cosec 2A into cot of 2A. So f double dash at pi by 4 will be minus 4 cos 2A means 1 upon sine 2 times pi by 4 sine pi by 2, it will become 1. Cot is cos pi by 2, so our final answer will be 0. uh, f triple dash A minus 4 outside, derivative of cosec 2A. So cosec 2A I will keep as it is. Cosec 2A, derivative of cot 2A is minus cosec square 2A into 2 plus cot 2A as it is, derivative of cosec 2A minus cosec 2A into cot of 2A into 2. Please see the derivative. I may make a mistake there. So f triple dash of A is equal to 8 cosec cube 2A plus, there is again 4 into 2 8 cot 2A into cosec 2A, cot square 2A. So what is f triple dash at pi by 4? So cosec cube 2A, yes, that will become 1, and cosec 2A cot square, which is cos square upon sine square. So the answer is 8. Is everyone clear up to this? It may sound boring, but you have to understand this. These are really important examples which will be applicable not only in mathematics but in other subjects too. So the expansion here is 0 plus x into 2 plus x square by 2 factorial into 0 plus x cube upon 3 factorial into 8 and so on. This is f of x plus pi by 4 expansion. Should I go ahead? Yes. Next question. Expand. Out of 8 papers, in 6 papers, this kind of questions are asked. Even in MCQs, this type of questions are asked. So expand 2x cube plus 7x square plus x minus 6 in powers of x minus 2. What is given? F of x is equal to 2x cube plus 7x square plus x minus 6. What we have to do? X minus 2 plus 2. By Taylor's theorem, what is this? F of 2 plus x minus 2 f dash of 2 plus x minus 2 square by 2 factorial f double dash at 2 plus x minus 2 upon raised to 3 upon 3 factorial f triple dash at 2. Should I go ahead up to infinity?
No, sir.
No, because third derivative will become constant and fourth will become 0. So I should stop here. So I need to find out f of 2, f dash of 2, f double dash at 2 and f triple dash at 2. So f of 2 is 2 into 2 cube plus 7 into 2 square plus 2 minus 6. So 2 cube 8 to 16, 16 and 4 into 7, so plus 2 minus 6, so that will be 40. What is f dash of x? F dash of x is 6x square plus 14x plus 1. So f dash of 2 will be equal to 6 into 2 square plus 14, 28 plus 1. 24 and 28. So that will be 53. Third, f double dash of x, 12x plus 14. So f double dash at 2 is equal to 38. And f triple dash of x is equal to 12. So f triple dash at 2 is equal to 12. So expansion in powers of x minus 2 is f of x is equal to 40 plus 53 into x minus 2 plus 38 by 2, which is 38 by 2 is 19 x minus 2 square plus 12 by 6, 2. Is everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Next example. Evaluate under root 25.15 using Taylor's theorem. So what I'm writing under root 25 as 25 plus 0.15. Okay. So as I know 0.15 under root will be difficult. Okay. So what is our f of x plus h? F of x plus h is equal to root of x plus h. So 0.15 is better to square rather than finding out the root. So I will expand. So expansion in powers of h. So expansion in powers of h is, so f of x plus h is equal to f of x plus h into f dash of x plus h square by 2 factorial f double dash of x. Further terms I will leave it. What is f of x? Is equal to under root x. So f of 25 is equal to 5. F dash of x is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. So f dash of 25 is equal to 1 by 10, which is 0.1. F double dash of x is 1 by 2 outside, x raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So that will be minus 1 by 2, x raised to minus 3 by 2. So f double dash at 25 will be equal to minus 1 by 4 into 1 upon 5 cube. Let's put this in the root 25.15 is equal to 5 plus h, which is 0.15, into f dash of x, which is 0.1, plus 0.15 square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash of 25, that is minus 1 by 4 into 1 upon 5 cube. That is 5 plus 0.015. This will be minus 4 into 2, 8, 8 into, so 0.15 square upon 8 into 5 cube is 125. Whatever. So 5 plus 0.015 minus 0.000225. So the answer is 5.01 5225 approximately.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Sir, I have a doubt.
yes,
Sir, can we evaluate three zeros after the decimal wala number using Taylor's theorem?
yes. Take the next term.
I mean, if we want to evaluate, suppose for example, 0.0002 ka square root using Taylor's theorem. So can we evaluate that?
Under root.
Under root 0.0002. For example, if we want to evaluate the square root of this using Taylor's theorem, then
Yes, of course. Under
yeah,
root
but
1 minus something.
yeah.
है ना?
So, but the calculations would be, I mean, very lengthy and tough
Yes,
also.
of course. But we can do that.
Okay,
So
1 minus or 0 plus. Anyway, you can do it.
okay. Thank you, sir.
So,
so the last one should be 0.4 zeros and then 225.
Yes,
It should be 0.0000, like 4 zeros after the decimal point.
yes. देखो जितने डेसिमल तक तुम्हें करेक्ट आंसर चाहिए उतने डेरिवेटिव्स लेना पड़ेगा. दैट्स द थिंग यू हैव टू रिमेंबर.
Nice, sir. He's saying that it should be 0.0000225.
So there
Okay.
should be 4 decimals after the point.
Ha.
Here, the thing I'm writing down in the final answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that correction we can do it.
excuse me, sir.
Yes,
So, how soon will you be uploading these videos, these recorded videos on your YouTube channel?
they are there, right?
Not all of them, like the one you recorded today.
That will be there soon.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so all the types of examples on Taylor series are covered, but just for a practice, I'll give you one example that you do it. Expand tan inverse of x in powers of x minus 1. Do it. Yes, anyone done it?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
So pi by 4 minus x minus 1 by 2 minus x minus 1 whole square by 4.
Yes.
सर सेकंड टर्म प्लस होनी चाहिए ना?
Pi
हाँ
by
सर
4 plus 1
pi
by
by
2
4
into x
plus
minus
x
1.
minus 1 by 2 minus x minus 1 square by 4
Yes, sir.
and
sir.
plus 1 by 12 into x minus 1 cube
Pi by
Yeah.
4 plus
plus
1
x
by
minus
2
1 by 2
x minus 1 plus 1 by
minus
2.
minus of x minus 1 square by 4.
This is plus.
No, sir,
So
minus.
minus will be there.
Sir.
Okay. The given answer is plus. Okay. Fine. This is correct. It has to be minus. Next term is
X
1
minus
by
1.
12 into x minus 1 cube.
cubed by 12.
12.
Okay. Next one. Using Taylor's theorem, express 7 plus x plus 2 plus 3 into x plus 2 cube plus x plus 2 raised to 4 in powers of x. One way is what is given? F of x plus 2 is given to you. F of x plus 2 is given, which is 7 plus x plus 2. So 3 into x plus 2 cube plus x plus 2 raised to 4. So if I want the expansion in powers of x, okay, so f of x plus 2 will be equal to f of 2 plus x into f dash of 2 plus x square by 2 factorial f double dash at 2 plus x cube by 3 factorial f triple dash at 2 plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial f4 at 2. So I mean f of x plus 2 can be written like this. Okay, don't get confused. So what is your f of a for an example? 7 plus a plus 3a cube plus a raised to 4. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now you can do your calculations on this. What is f of 2? f of 2 is equal to 7 plus 2, 9 plus 3 into 2 cube 8 plus 16, 25 plus 24 is 49. What is f dash of a? F dash of a is 1 plus 9a square plus 4a cube. So f dash of 2 will be equal to 1 plus 9 into 4 plus 4 into 8. No, so the sum is equal to 69. F double dash of a is equal to 18a plus 12a square. So f double dash of 2 will be 18 into 2 plus 12 into 4. 48 plus 8, 36. So that will be 42. No, sorry. 42 into 2, that is 84. F triple dash of a is equal to 18 plus 24 into a. 48, 58 and 8, 66. This is f triple dash at 2. Fourth derivative at a is equal to 24. Now put the values and that is our final answer. So I'll rub the above part and I'll write down the final answer over there. So f of x plus 2 is equal to f of 2, which is 49, plus f dash of 2 is 69 into x, plus x square by 2 into 84. 1 by 2 into 84, that will be 42 into x square, plus third derivative of 2, which is 66 by 6, that will be 11x cube, plus x raised to 4 upon 4 factorial, which is 24, so that will be simply x raised to 4 in the final answer. Clear?